Hello again, are you ready for a new story? Today, I decided to make a little walk, and the reason why is because the last few days was raining so much and so hard, but today was sunny, very sunny again. So it's the perfect time for a little hike. But after the rain, you can see little forms of life on the floor. Look at this one. It really calls my attention because it reminds me of something that I love so much, and it's the caramel. I love this color. Notice the colors of the leaves on the floor also. Reddish color, brown, light brown. Looks like a flan. But maybe I was hungry during this walk, I don't know. Let's continue walking, but check the ground. The combination between so many rain and a sunny day developed into something called humidity. So much. I'm sweating. I'm really sweating like a waterfall. It's like 98% right now. This beautiful evergreen color of tropical rainforest. Look at the little friend right here. He's so tiny. This one looks like an umbrella and it's about 3 inches. This one here is a big family of little mushrooms, and they were eating a fallen branch. After this, I was walking here in the trail, and then I found this. A big obstacle. A normal person will go in another trail or something like that. Me, in my case, I crawled the tree. I can climb. Just like the monkey. Here I go. Oop, bad monkey. Okay, I can do it. It's time to put in practice all this balance during the yoga class. By the way, I don't go to yoga classes. Whoa! So far so good. I'm trying not to fall. But look at the branch right here on the right side. Be careful. It's a good advice. Protect your eyes. That was very close for me. Whoop! Whoa! After this, I was like, okay, I need to sit down and relax a little moment. Look up in the trees. Whistling a little bit. It is a beautiful view. Looking up to the trees. Okay, it's time to continue. Next destination, the waterfall pools. But before, I want to show you this trail. I like this landscape, especially because there are so many monkey camp on the floor. And, do you see that? There is a trail, little trail next to it. Because of the leaf cutter ends, all the way here. Now look, this is a bigger mushroom. Hello, squirrel. Here are the frog pools. But I came here because I heard something. Sounds like a crying dog, or I don't know. Or a monkey. Surprise, it's a bird. It's a trogon. Okay, look. Here we are, in this beautiful place. The frog pools. What? The waterfall pool, sorry. This is so relaxing. And the water is very clear. So clear that I saw the bottom. People will be like, oh, did you jump? Did you get inside the pools? No, I'm not a big fan of pools. Even when they are naturals, definitely is the best, but I'm not. I put my hand inside. Well, this is the end. Thanks for watching another episode of Through the Eyes of the Nature Guide. I hope you were having a good time. See you in the next adventure. Bye!